What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. Pardon the wind, it's real windy outside today. We're going to be doing a quick installation demo of our TR21 and a new Ram TRX. Very easy install. The first thing you're going to do is remove the rubber mat from the tray. Next, you remove the two OEM screws. So the first thing we're going to want to do is grab the right support leg. That's the one with 4 holes. We'll peel off the 3M tape, or peel off the film rather, on the 3M adhesive. There we go. The film has been peeled off. The next step, you'll take the OEM screw that you removed and you will slide it through the support leg, like so. Now it's good to hold it in this position because you're kind of going in blind, so it's hard to locate the screw hole. So now we'll go in here, get it tightened up a little bit. You don't have to tighten it up fully, you just want to tighten it up, you know, partially. So it's in position but not fully tightened. Next you'll take the left support leg, that's the support leg with 2 holes. Remove the film from the 3M tape. You will drop the factory screw through the middle and hold it in place with the screwdriver. And you'll go into the left-hand side. Once again, we're not going to fully tighten this up. So the next step is install the top plate. So you'll want to get all 4 screws mounted onto this plate before you fully tighten it. So we'll start with the back right, get it going. There you go. Back left. Get it going. Now we'll do the front right. There you go. Front left. Now that all 4 screws are in, we could tighten these down securely. There you go. Now the final step is you want to take the dash bracket now and press it back to get the adhesive to bond to the back of the tray. So you press it back and then you'll go back in with the screwdriver and finish tightening off. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. And you're all set. After you have the dash mount installed, you can install any of your fast track mounting bases, or slim track mounting bases rather. Amps mounts, you can bolt right onto there, and you're good to go. Now this installation, even with the 3M tape, is non-permanent, but it's rock solid. You can mount a phone and tablet off here. Pretty much whatever you need. You're off to the races. Thanks.